Hey guys, welcome to Soulful Adventures, and let's see what are the tarot card readings for our next zodiac sign, and that is for Scorpio. Let's see what earth sign season, that is Virgo season, has brought for Scorpios, the water sign. I'm right now shuffling cards for you. So let's see. Let's draw some cards for Scorpios for the month of September 2020. Okay, great. So, the first card, Scorpios, crossing it. The third card, the fourth one, the fifth card, and the sixth one. Wow, wow. Great Scorpios. So let's see what was the first card for the Scorpio, the current position, the current scenario, the current situation Scorpios are into. Temperance. This is the card you have got for your current position, Scorpios. Temperance is a card where you can see that there is an angel, archangel, who is maintaining the balance by keeping her 1 foot into the water and 1 foot on the land. So this is all about maintaining the balance. It is all about patience. There might be some money restrictions right now, but it's about patience. Scorpios, I completely understand. Scorpios are not impulsive energies, but they totally are, I can tell you, very much attracted towards anxiety. Now these two are different things, impulsiveness and anxiety. Impulsiveness is just to react in a way, in a very fast way, fast mode, just to react very aggressively, very angrily sometimes. Or sometimes, without a sudden, without any warning. That is impulsiveness, right? React without any warning and be very high tempered. But what is anxiety? You are not able to speak out, you are not able to express, and that's what leads to anxious mind. That's what is anxiety. So definitely Scorpios are or have a tendency or tend to have anxiety. But guys, let me tell you, temperance is a card where you need to be very patient, manage your temper. This month or the current situation right now, I cannot tell this month, but the current situation maybe this week is little disturbing or little anxious, or making you little anxious, all about worry. But be patient, your time will come, because this angel card is telling you your time will come. Now is the time to balance, to maintain the balance. Okay guys, that is your current situation. You need to maintain the balance according to the tarot message. Next you have is a 5 of Wands, which is a challenge card. Now 5 of Wands is the battles that's going inside your head or around you. Scorpios, understand, when you are anxious or when you have something which is not expressive or not expressed by you, that's the behavior of you or that's the nature of you. It's okay. But guys, then you have some interpersonal conflicts with people and intrapersonal conflicts with yourself. So there are arguments going around, there are small battles, small arguments because of very, I can tell you, because of very filthy things. So you are having these arguments going around you back and forth because of small reasons, not big reasons, small arguments, battles going around you. And you are falling prey to this because you feel you need to prove someone, you feel that you're anxious, and this anxiety is leading to these battles. And this is a challenge for you guys. Scorpios, I understand and let you be very much aware that Virgo season is not an easy season like a Leo or sometimes the Sagittarius season. It's not that easy to pass. Understand, it's a season when you need to protect your energy. It's a season of self-protection, self-love, self-worth. And this is an irony of a human life, that we tend to protect others, we tend to love others, we tend to care for others, and we forget ourselves. So this is a new chapter, a new lesson that we are going to learn in this month, and that's the reason it's not easy. So there are some arguments for each one of us, with ourselves, with others, but what you need to learn, or what you need to do in this month, Scorpios, is to maintain that balance, to control your temper, to not become anxious without any reason, okay, to change this nature, to be little patient. What we have as a third card, that is the third position card, is this Strength card, that is Page of Wands. Now what is a Page of Wands, and how can you use it in your strength or as your strength? Page of Wands is a card where you are ready to achieve your passion. This is a time where you need to start with a new beginning, a new path. Page always indicates there is a new beginning. Pages is for new path, new discovery, and new exploration. And Page of Wands is all about exploring your own passion, following your heart. Until now you were very confused whether to go for your passion or stop, whether to work and not follow your passion. Then completely I suggest you, in this month, study hard, explore hard, and follow your heart, follow your passion, because that's the spirit what's telling you. Don't limit, don't limit yourself to some work of a job or a business. If your passion is something different, be creative. Virgo season is all about creativity, all about multitasking. So definitely you have to use this behavior of you for multitasking, this behavior of you of creativity and following your passion in this month. Okay, so what we have as a fourth position card, that is the recent past, and it's a beautiful card. It's about 10 of Pentacles. So it might be a possibility that maybe in the month of August you have invested in some business, and you have invested in some startups, new startups, and that's the reason it's making you a little anxious, because right now you haven't got any returns. Maybe that's the current situation you are impatient about, or you are not able to find any clarity, and that's the reason you are bit anxious. And that's the message you got: to be patient, to be clear, because all the money you had, you have invested already. You have put forth this money into some business, and now you are waiting for returns, and it's coming to you but very slowly, so you are becoming impatient. Then I would suggest you, whatever you have sown will return. Just be patient. You will be getting the fruits, you will be getting this success, the growth, the returns, the profits, the increase in your salary, the new job offer, the new opportunities, new beginnings everywhere, because that is a card of new beginning, new path in your reading. But be little patient and don't involve yourself, or don't waste your energy. Guys, protect your energy this month as much as you can. Be in a hermit mode as much as you can. Virgo is a season to connect with your own soul, guys. Don't waste this month. And for especially why I'm telling you, Scorpios, for Scorpios, you need to be in connection with you regularly, because you are your deepest and best friend, guys. You are not open to many people and you prefer yourself more, and that's a good energy, guys. So be in connection with you and don't be anxious about it. Maintain the balance, be very patient this month. Then we have a future, the near future energy card, Four of Cups. Now Four of Cups is an energy where you will be getting the offers which you might not need. You will be getting the opportunities, new proposals, new businesses where you need to invest. But this offers is like, I don't want to invest into this business. I don't want this job offer. I need something different. This is not what I deserve. I'm waiting for a good opportunity. It's okay. It's okay, guys. In near future, by the end of September or maybe third week of September, you will be finding that you are getting many offers as an investor, or new job offers, or new proposals. It could be a marriage proposals. It could be a love proposals. It could be a business opportunities. But there are various offers and a choice to make. Then please don't go for something which you don't need, or which you don't want, or which you think is not what you deserve. Wait, be patient, and choose wisely. Okay, guys, this is the near future. Final outcome card. Final outcome card, guys, is the Moon. The Moon is a card of Scorpio. I would like to tell you, it's a card of Cancer actually, but a water sign card. It's a major arcana card, guys. The Moon is, and if you see, there is a scorpion down there. Definitely it is relating you. You need to reflect, lot of reflection in this month. You will be finding many truths. There could be many secrets that will reveal. There can be nothing that could be hidden in this month. It could be your own nature. It could be your own jealousy. Guys, accept it. We all are humans. We all have this envy or jealousy feeling sometime. You need to reflect on the things you think that is not going to serve a good purpose for you guys. In very clear words, I would like to tell you that if you are jealous about something, if you are not open about something, if there are some hidden secrets in your own heart, if you want to confront something to someone, if you want to express something to someone, please do it in this month and reflect what wrong is happening with you and what wrong you are doing with yourself. If there are some confrontations or some secrets or some truth you want to listen from others, ask upfrontly. Nobody is coming to you and telling you these truths and revealing these secrets unless and until you want to. No. So the Moon is a card where you need to think. You need to think properly. You need to think very wisely, because this card is connected to your thoughts. Clear your thoughts, find clarity. That is what you need to do, and that is the final outcome, and you will find the clarity. You will find that secrets are no longer secrets, nor by you and neither by others towards you. So with this, we would be meeting in our next month tarot card reading for the month of October 2020. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.